goodness.
Ava, grab some.
Look around, because he's got to be still here. He's got to be here somewhere. Be ready to catch him. Look at our chairs.
Get it. Keep it in your hands, Tyler. Whatever you have, get it in your
Oh
hands.
my goodness.
Mommy said he left the candy too.
She did?
Put
She
the
said-
I don't have a bag.
Look what he did to her. Oh my God.
Christopher, put it inside your shirt and hold your shirt up.
No, you.
I'll get you bags.
Oh, don't get them back. Mommy,
Oh, you know what? Ava, I'll watch your stuff. Go ahead, leave it there. Go ahead. You could leave it on the table. Leave it on the table.
My daddy. Who did something to our room? Look, candy.
Go get more.